Welcome back, everybody. We are going to show you now how to add locations onto your map now that you've got your Google Map created. So you should be in your Google Map. You'll see your name up here. Should be your last name followed by Core of Discovery. And we have given you the exact locations you're going to need to put on your map. So if you're on our Canvas page, you're going to see here a list of the locations, and then there's this number. That is an exact latitude and longitude location that's going to tell you exactly where to put your push pin. So let's go ahead and demonstrate by doing the first one, Camp Du Bois here. So we are going to copy and paste this, and once you have that location, you are going to be able to place that on your map. So now I'm going to go back to my Google Map here. And up here in the search bar, all you have to do is type in or copy and paste the location and then do a search. And this is going to give you the exact location. So this is the location that we want you to mark for Camp Du Bois. And you can kind of zoom in a little bit and kind of see where it's at. There's actually a museum there. So now you've got the location. You want to make that a push pin. So if you click right on that location, it's going to give you the option to add to map. So you want to add that to your map, so go ahead and click on where that plus sign is, and it's going to create a descriptor for that location. So you essentially have a push pin there, but because you did a search for this location, this is what it is going to put automatically as the title, and that doesn't really make sense. So we're going to go ahead and down here, we're going to click on the little pencil icon where it says edit, and we're going to type in the name of the location. In this case, it is Camp Du Bois. Make sure I get the right spelling there. And then you have a place down here for the description. So in our last step, you guys created a little kind of like 2-sentence description of each location and why it's important. So I'm going to go ahead and type my 2-sentence description. So I'm going to type Camp Du Bois was the starting place for the expedition and was where Lewis and Clark gathered the men for the journey. They set out on the expedition on May 14th, 1804, and went up the Missouri River. Okay, so I've got a 2-sentence description there that is going to tell me a little bit about why this location is important. Now again, this should be in your own words. Don't copy and paste this from a Wikipedia page or some kind of website. Go ahead and just kind of figure out, if I could tell people in just 2 sentences why this place is important, what would I tell them in my own words? So when you get done, go ahead and click save. Just so you guys are aware, you can do all kinds of other cool stuff with the location on a Google map. You can add photos or images. You can do stuff as far as like changing the style if you wanted to make it a different little marker, different color, things like that. But really all you have to do for this assignment is you have to have the name of the location and then a 2-sentence description. And then to go ahead and do the next one, you're going to go back and copy and paste. You'll put it in the search bar, and then you'll start getting all the different locations on. Now, this right now is just the like street map, so you can kind of see street names and stuff. If you click on down here where it says base map, you can change the style of the map. And it is kind of cool to go into satellite, because then it shows you a little bit more of kind of what this actually is in real life. So you can see this is the Mississippi River here, Missouri River. So you're going to be able to go over here. They start in the Mississippi River and then go to the Missouri River. But you can kind of see the location and how it interacts with the local geography. And then you can also zoom out, and then you can kind of see. And then here you can see this is the Missouri River right here. So like technically they start off, you know, for whatever, how many yards in the Mississippi River. And then this is the Missouri River. So all right, guys, so that is how you add your location, like your push pin, and then also your description. So you're going to do that for all the locations on your map. Good luck, and we'll see you soon.